Today, I speak to you about one of the most profound transformations in human history, the discovery and control of fire. Far more than a tool, fire was a spark that reshaped our biology, our society, and our destiny. 1. The oldest secure evidence of controlled fire. Archaeologists have found the earliest secure evidence of controlled fire use in Wonderwerk Cave, South Africa, dating back to about 1 million years ago. South African Archaeological Society, using micromorphological analysis and Fourier-transform infrared microspectroscopy, researchers identified burned bone fragments and ashed plant remains in situ, deep inside the cave, too far from the entrance to have been the result of natural wildfires. These findings strongly suggest hominins, likely Homo erectus, had learned not just to use, but to control fire. South African Archaeological Society 2. Why fire was a turning point in human evolution. Fire was more than just light and warmth. Its control had profound evolutionary consequences. Protection. Fire provided defense against predators at night. Early humans could stay in caves or open sites with more safety, reducing the risk of nocturnal attacks. Cooking. Perhaps its most transformative effect was on diet. According to the cooking hypothesis by primatologist Richard Wrangham, cooking food made it easier to chew and digest and unlocked more energy. Physiological change. Because cooked food is predigested, early humans could evolve smaller guts and smaller teeth, and redirect that saved energy into growing larger brains. Social life. Fire made gathering possible after dark. It encouraged social bonds, communication, and perhaps even the earliest forms of communal storytelling. Sharing fire likely built cooperation. Technological innovation. Fire enabled our ancestors to harden wooden tools, to heat stone, and later to invent complex pyrotechnology. 3. The broader evolutionary impacts. The ability to harness fire was not just useful, it shaped the course of evolution. According to Wrangham and other scholars, this capacity is linked with major shifts in anatomy and behavior. Over time, fire helped our species expand across the globe. Cooking made high-energy diets possible, and fire provided warmth and safety in colder regions where uncontrolled hominins could not otherwise survive. 4. Continuing debates and scientific caution. While Wonderwerk Cave provides very strong evidence, scientists acknowledge that the full picture is complex. There is still no consensus on exactly when habitual fire use became routine in all human populations. Some researchers argue that early fire use might have been opportunistic, not systematic. The cooking hypothesis remains influential, but also debated. Not all changes in anatomy may be solely due to cooking. The discovery and control of fire was not a simple invention. It was a revolution, biological, social, and technological. Through fire, our ancestors tamed darkness, transformed their diet, and restructured their bodies. Fire allowed them to gather, to guard, to imagine, and ultimately to become human. As we sit here today, under the comfort of electric light, it is worth remembering. The human journey was forever changed by that first flicker of flame.